So welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. I'm so glad to be back to YouTube, and in the next few days I will be updating you guys on an official posting schedule. And being that it's summer, you know, I'm starting to make plans with my kiddos and my family because things are opening up and we're able to get out of the house and do some things. We have Santa Cruz, which is just a very short drive from our home. So I'm very excited to show you guys some of the most beautiful bathing suits I've actually ever received. And it's all thanks to AdoreMe for gifting me these amazing selections. So sit on back and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because on my channel I will be doing a combination of unboxings, beauty tutorials, skincare, and I'm going to be doing a lot more fashion styling on my channel. And let's start this massive unboxing from AdoreMe, you guys. So as I mentioned, AdoreMe graciously gifted me over $500 worth in bathing suits. That's probably more bathing suits than I've ever owned in my life, because, you know, growing up, I was never very secure of my body. I went from being 300 and almost 50 pounds to what I am today. So, you know, I wasn't always very comfortable, but now, you know, I've worked really hard on trying to maintain my weight, and I feel more confident in myself and, you know, how I look in bathing suits. So that's why I'm so excited. And just so you guys are aware, AdoreMe did graciously actually give me a discount link, which I will leave down in the description. It's not affiliated by any means. It's just a discount for you guys so that you can get your first bathing suit or lingerie for $24, which again, I think is an incredible deal, especially since, you know, currently I'm wearing one of the AdoreMe loungewear outfits, as I've been living on AdoreMe products for the last couple months because I just love how nice and comfortable they are. But anyways, let's get to it and let's start our unboxing, because there's so much to unpack here. Each item is packaged individually. At the end of the video, I'm going to actually be doing a try-on of a few of the swimsuits for you guys. So the very first swimsuit right here. So this swimsuit right here is the Undressa Contour Plus. I got them in a few different sizes because, as I mentioned, I'm still not sure on my sizing. And yeah, so I got some in extra large, 0, and 1X just to see how they fit, because they all seem to be ranges that I fall into, because even though I'm a smaller top, I'm very hippie in the bottom, so I tend to have to always go up a size or two for my bottoms. So I'm not sure about bathing suits, but anyways, I really liked this style, the cut. If you guys can see there, the detailing right here is just very subtle, and it just really kind of cinches your waist right here. On the back, it also has support so your girls kind of stay up, you know what I mean? So this is the Giselle Contour Plus in 0X. Again, like I mentioned, the sizing, to me, I felt like I could straddle both sizes. So this is what the top looks like right here. And again, it has just this little, kind of like a peekaboo, and on the back, and it feels very sturdy, way sturdier than my bralettes, honestly, that I've had in the past. So I'm so excited to try it out, especially with these colors, and the material feels amazing, you guys. And then I picked up the high-waisted bottoms because I'm still uncomfortable with my tummy area, you know. I got the mommy pouch. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. So, and because I have tried another one of theirs, these do have a little bit of tummy control, which is again a reason why I felt comfortable enough to pick a two-piece. But this is very nice. And then if you look at the back, it has just like a little peekaboo again, just, you know, a little tease. This next colorful one is the Georgia Contour Plus. So pretty. Again, you guys, this material is just so so nice. And it has really incredible stitching. It really does. And I forgot to mention, of course, every bathing suit in the bottoms has this little plastic thing for sanitary purposes. Because the really cool thing about AdoreMe, even if you order online, if you get an item and it doesn't fit, you have 30 days to return or exchange the item, which is amazing. Like, I didn't know that at the beginning, and I had a sizing issue because, again, I hadn't bought anything for myself in such a long time when it comes to clothing, lingerie, or anything. So I thought that was very cool that they were able to exchange some things for me. And it does have a slightly padded bra area, and it has these cute little rings here. This is very cute one piece, and it goes like high-waisted on the back, which is great, you know, because not everyone wants to have a very low back, you know what I mean? I'm typically not one that likes showing her back off. I don't know, I just don't. Oh, I got this cover. I was hoping on getting the matching bathing suit, but they had ran out of my sizes. This is a camel print, so super cool. This is a camel print, like sarong or wrap, whatever you want to use it as. You know, even if for summer, if you have like a purple or blue dress and you just want to use it as a shawl, you could do it. It's very long, it's very flexible, so I'm excited to use it. I also picked up a white one on a previous order. And it has these cute little tassels, like, you know, the little threading and stuff. It's very nice. This is the Ariel Contour Plus OX. This is like a blue-gray in my opinion. And this one has a tie in the back. I actually picked this up in a polka dot as well, because, again, it has the support right here. And I really appreciate the little ruching on the side. And it does have a little bit of tummy control on it. On the back, it's more on the high-waisted side, so you don't have to worry about, you know, falling, adjusting, or anything like that. I just think it's a very nice cut as well. This is Chlorine. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. This is kind of classy, so if, let's say, you're just gonna go hang out at the beach, you can easily put a wrap and you can go out and have like a nice lunch or dinner because it's so cute. And it has these little gold embellishments, which I thought were nice. Again, to support the girls. It has a nice mesh right here. And over on the thigh area, it has this little netting too. So I thought that was very cool. Pull it up. This nearly goes to your full back. So again, very beautiful cut, very comfortable. So quick little ponytail fixes that. The next one, oh my gosh, I love this. It has a ribbed material, but I ordered the two-piece and I liked it so much. I was so glad when I saw that they had restocked on the one-pieces. It is so cute, and again, it has the thing in the back to support, and you have adjustable straps. I haven't even mentioned that. Most of these do come with adjustable straps, so you can have more or less control or space, whatever you need. And this one is a lot more flexible, so you know, you have more space. And it has like the little drawstrings on the side, so if you want to make it more ruche, you can. See? But this is such a cute style. Next, this is Margaret, and by the way, the other style was Natasha, the ribbed striped one. So for Margaret, it does have this tie string in the back. I guess almost like a corset you could do. I'm assuming that's what it is. And it's very adjustable, but again, it's very nice. It's very elegant. Look at that that meshing. And it still has the cup area. It's not as supportive, of course, or it won't be as supportive as the other ones, but it still gives you very great, you know, look. And because of the ruching in the middle, it really helps like cinch your waist. If, let's say, that's something that you're uncomfortable, this actually helps with that. And then around the thighs, this is the detailing. Again, very, very beautiful. And then it does have a light lining on your private areas, basically. So just so you guys are aware, AdoreMe does launch new collections or styles or colors, usually between the first week of the month. And but by the end of the month, those colors and styles, especially the hot ones, they do begin to sell out. So if you are interested in anything, I highly recommend you guys just, you know, jump on it when you see it. Anywho, so again, this is a one piece that goes as a high back, which I appreciate. And I think this is very cool how it has like a metal V right in the center. So it kind of gives you that separation here, but it's right underneath the boob line. So that is very, very cool. And it does give you kind of like medium support, and it helps cinch the waist right here. And as always, they have a very, very nice stitching. Very great material right here. And my last one, you guys, before I try on a couple. This is the Margaret in black. Again, very similar style. And the back. This one is just, again, it's just black. That's the only difference. I don't know why this one looks so much more sexier, kind of like lingerie to me. It's so cute. So I'm gonna get off camera here for a second, you guys, and I'm gonna go change into one of the suits. I'll be right back. Here is the first one. I'm gonna try on at least 2 or 3 for you guys, see how it goes. But I really like how comfortable it is. It fits very nicely on the body. I'm wearing, this is the 0X. And it definitely helps bring them up so I don't feel weird or insecure. So let me know what you guys think of this one. I thought this was not gonna be as supportive as the other ones. Oh no, no, no. This actually it has the strap in the back to lock it in place, you know, however tight you need it. And it's keeping these babies up. I love how it's very fitted and it's so comfortable. And it has this little peek through right here in the center, you guys. So it's super cute. So let me know what you guys think. And again, this does have the ruching right here. And if you think about it, the stripes are more fitted. Like it makes it feel or look more fitting. Alright, so I definitely love this one, you guys. I'm gonna switch now to the next one and I'll be right back. So just so you guys know, this piece right here, this sucker is super form-fitting. Now you can have it hold up a little bit more on top if you just tighten it up a little bit more. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how this sarong would match very beautifully with this bathing suit, which is so cute. Again, I love how it has this little ruching here, so it kind of camouflages the tummy, and it does have tummy control, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm not used to showing this much cleavage, so it's kind of weird, but again, I gotta get over it, especially if I'm thinking of going to the beach. So I hope you guys enjoyed my AdoreMe bathing suit unboxing. Again, don't forget, I do have a discount link down below for you guys. So if you guys would like to purchase your very first set or first bathing suit, you guys get it for $24 versus their normal retail price. And again, they do have an incredible return/exchange policy. And they have new styles that drop the first week of every month. But let me know what you guys think, and let me know which of the bathing suits was your favorite. Again, so far for me, the green one with the stripes, that's so far been like my top favorite at this time. Thank you very much, AdoreMe, once more for gifting me all these beautiful bathing suits, and thank you everyone for watching. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Now, don't forget, before you guys head out, hit that subscribe button, and if you guys could, I would greatly appreciate if you guys gave this video a big ol' thumbs up, as that really does help me out. But anyways, thank you, take care, be safe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.